This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add a link in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or just need a refresher, this guide will help you seamlessly incorporate links into your campaigns, enhancing your marketing strategies and ensuring your audience has access to the information they need. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to brevo.com. Brevo is a powerful marketing automation platform that helps you manage your campaigns effectively. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're not yet familiar with Brevo, take a moment to explore its interface. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will make this process much smoother and help you take full advantage of all its features. After you've logged in, look for the Marketing section. It's usually located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Marketing will bring up various options related to your marketing activities. This is where you can manage different aspects of your campaigns, from email marketing to automation. Next, click on Campaigns. This section is dedicated to all your campaign efforts. Here, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. If you haven't created any campaigns yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. Having campaigns set up allows you to engage with your audience effectively and track your marketing efforts. Now, select the campaign you want to edit. You should see an edit icon next to each campaign in your list. Click on this icon to start making changes to your campaign. Editing your campaign is an essential step because it allows you to refine your message and ensure it aligns with your marketing goals. Once you're in the campaign editor, navigate to the Design section. This is where you can modify the visual elements of your campaign. Click on Edit Design to open the Design editor. The Design section is crucial as it determines how your audience perceives your message. A well-designed campaign can significantly influence engagement rates. In the Design editor, find the text you want to add a link to. Click on the text to highlight it. Highlighting the text is important because it tells Brevo where you want to insert the link. Make sure the text you choose is relevant to the link you're adding, as this will make your campaign more cohesive and user-friendly. Now, look at the top of the editor for the Add Link button. Clicking this button will open the link options. Adding a link is a great way to provide your audience with direct access to external resources, such as your website, a landing page, or a product page. You'll then need to select the type of link you want to add. Brevo offers several link types such as a URL, email address, or phone number. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're directing your audience to a specific web page, select the URL option. If you want them to contact you directly, consider adding an email or phone link. Finally, click Insert to add the link to your text. Once inserted, make sure to test the link to ensure it works correctly. Testing is a critical step as it verifies that your audience will have a seamless experience when they engage with your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to your Brevo campaign. Adding links is a simple yet effective way to enhance your campaigns, providing your audience with easy access to the information they need. Remember, the key to successful marketing is not only delivering great content, but also ensuring it's easily accessible. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.